Namaskaram everyone. Welcome to the Voice of Violin Workshop 2026. I am Arunachala Karthik, violin artist. In today's session, I am happy to present the ragam Suddha Danyasi. It's a very beautiful raga. It has a pentatonic scale. That is, the raga has 5 notes, both in the Arohanam as well as in the Avarohanam. The parent raga is Karahara Priya. So Suddha Danyasi is a journey of Karahara Priya raga. So let us go to the Arohanam Avarohanam of this beautiful raga. So the Arohanam is Sa Ga Ma Pa Ni Sa. Avarohanam is Sa Ni Pa Ma Ga Sa. So the notes of this raga are Sajja, Sadharana Gandhara, Shuddha Madhyamam, Panchamam, Kaisiki Nishadam, then Sajjam. Again the same notes in the reverse order. It's a symmetric raga. Okay, let's play that raga. Arohanam, Avarohanam. So let us start the raga alapana with a characteristic phrase which is also a starting point of a kriti. In this case, we are going to start the alapana with Enta Nerchina, which is another beautiful kriti in the raga Suddha Danyasi by the great saint Tyagaraja. So this is what we have always followed. We start the alapana with the characteristic phrase, which is starting point of a kriti. So here Enta Nerchina. So this is the starting. Let us begin the alapana. That's one beautiful way to start this raga alapana. So what are the jiva swarams of this raga? So jiva swarams are Gandhara and Nishada, that is, which have the soul of this raga. So the note Gandhara has a different types of gamakas in this raga. So we should understand that first before going to the other notes. So a Gandhara is done a Kampita Gamaka in conjunction with Ma. So that is one of the variants of the Gamaka. Let me play and show that. Okay, oscillation with Ma. So the second variant of Ga is the Kampita Gamaka on Ga itself. That is without touching the Ma. The definition of Kampita Gamaka is without touching the previous and the next note. Okay, so let me oscillate the Ga in this Gamaka and show you. So it should not touch Re or Antara Gandhara. So it's in between those two and it's slightly oscillated. So this is the second variant of the Gandhara. Third variant of Gandhara is the one which goes to Sa. Maga Sa. That is the third variant of the Gandhara. This raga. So those are the three types of gamakas in the Gandhara. So we should use the Gandhara very carefully. We should not overplay the first variant. So this is not the prominent variant. This is only occasionally played. It's not very often played. So So we started with the jivas from Gandhara in this raga and then we went to different notes. Let us do the same journey of notes in this raga also. Let's go to the lower octave and let's visit the Nishada and see how the Nishada is oscillated along with the other notes. So the Kampita Gamaka which happens in Nishada oscillates the Nishada. So the Nishada goes like this. That is another type. This one is. So this is the variant. Here we should not touch the Daivata, nor we should go to the next note. As per the Kampita Gamaka, we should just oscillate the knee around the knee position and that adds a beauty to this Gamaka. If you see the plain notes in this raga, so ga and ni are also played quite in very lot of occasions plain. So it is not just about the oscillation, the gamaka or the kampita which we played, which we covered in all the different notes, but also the plain note, which is also equally important. Pa ni ni pa ni sa ga ma pa ga sa ga. This is also a plain Gandhara usage, which is very important in this raga. So So we did all the different usages on the Nishada and Gandhara. Now let us go to the Madhyasthai, Panchama, and let us try to reach the higher octave using the journey of notes. Panchama is a Nyasa Swara. Panchama and Sajja are Nyasa Swaras in this raga. So you can land on those swarams and we can do a Sanchara around those notes, which we are going to do right now. If you stop in the higher octave Sajja, it sounds so beautiful, which always we saw, we did it in the previous other ragas. So the other type of gamaka is this. In Nishada we saw. This is one Pani. Then plain. So we are done with the other notes in the lower octave. We are going up to the higher octave now. We are going to cover the Panchama, up to Panchama in the higher octave, and then go back, which is what we do always with ragas. So as you see, this raga has a combined effect of all the different types of gamakas we played in Ni and Ga itself. Other notes don't have. Madhyama we don't do a gamaka. It's more of a plain note. Madhyama is plain. Of course, Sajjama and Panchama we don't do gamaka. So Madhyama is plain here. So this raga mostly relies upon the emotions carried out by the soul notes. That is the Gandhara and Nishada, and the different types of gamakas which are carried out on those notes. That gives the swarupa to this raga. Okay, let us play the higher octave now, go up till Panchama and then try to descend down. So as we covered the higher octave, we came back to the lower octave Sajja. Okay, then we will do a few second speed and third speed gamakas. This raga is quite an easy raga to play third speed because all the finger is the same, exact same. Ni is second finger, ga is second finger, ma is third finger, sa is third finger. So exactly we use a similar, exact same swarasthanams in each and every string, all the 4 strings. So what happens? We can play a lot of third speed sangatis also in this, which I am going to try, give it a try. Let me start with the second speed. Now we are getting to the third speed, which is quite anayasa. It comes this raga. Third speed, we go to the lower octave and play a few sancharas in the mandrasthai, which is equivalent to the voice of the human being, voice of the people, voice of the audience, right? Which is what we did last time also. Let us do that now. Hope the raga journey of notes in this raga was useful. I thought the journey was quite a small, quick journey because the notes were only 5 and there was not much explanation also. But this raga has a huge potential. We should play each note according to its variety of gamaka, which we saw in this session, and each note carries that emotion. Mainly the ga and ni carries the emotion forward. And do practice this raga and let me know how it went, and let me know for any questions either in the workshop or in the offline. Thank you.